Okay, so here is an instruction video of how to repair these Alesis MK1s. And the problem I've been having is that this light over here has been started flickering after I reinstalled them into my computer. And now I'm going to show you how to fix that by replacing two components basically in here. There we go. Just a quick note, these guys around here are actually a bit longer than the ones around the power entry thingy, so you can see there's a difference between them in length, so keep that in mind and kind of keep these separated from the others when you remove them. But that's all you need to remove, the ones around and the ones around the power entrance. Okay, so that's it, and then you take this guy out like so, and here is actually the board that you're going to remove, and in order to do that you need to remove this cord over here and also this guy that goes to the power switch. And that's basically it. And the components that we're going to want to replace are these two, but I'll get into that when we actually got the card out. Also, after removing these two, you're going to have to screw 4 screws, one in each corner, and that will take the board off the metal sheet that it's attached to. So 4 screws and that's it. You don't have to bother about this guy over here. Just the corner ones will be okay. Okay, so we got this guy off. It's a bit tricky to get the cords off and then get the screws off, but you're just gonna have to wiggle it off, I guess. Okay, so here's the thing. These are the two components that we want to remove and replace. It's this guy over here and that one. And I think from what I heard that this resistor is getting too hot and it's actually heating this guy up too much, and that's a common problem with this with these studio monitors. So we're gonna remove these two and replace them. And what I'm gonna do is also keep the ends longer, so I can move this guy a bit over here into this empty space and put the new one of these a bit more to the left here, so they are a bit separated. So as you can see now, they're basically touching each other. So we're going to try to get them apart a bit, so keep that in mind before you start cutting the cords that lead to the actual resistor here. So keep them long and then you can move it over here. I'm not gonna show you how to solder these things. I guess it's better to keep this video a bit shorter and you can just watch another video for that. But I basically just watched the video and went and bought a soldering kit for like 20 bucks or something, and I have not done it before, so it's no problem. I promise you'll fix it. There's no danger or anything. I was pretty scared about touching these things when I was doing it, but apparently it's all fine. Just make sure your cord is out, obviously, when you start screwing, and then replace these two. I'll show you in a second how it looks when I replace them. Okay, so as you can see, these are the new components and I'm about to attach them. And as you can see, I left quite a long bit of these, I don't know, strings left. So when I actually solder, I think is the English name for it, these guys on, I can kind of wiggle these around and move this guy over here a bit and move this guy, push this guy over here, so that they are not as close to each other as the previous ones was. Okay, so that's it. I kind of wiggle these around a bit so they're not so close. Obviously I cut off the remaining wire and I'm just gonna reinstall it. So there we go, it's reinstalled, and let me put the power on here. Let's see if it worked. There we go, no more flickering light. Leave a like if you found it useful, and leave a comment if you have a question or something. I will put a description in the commentary, or whatever it's called, with the parts that you need. And have a good day. Bye.